ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking crave for today. Nagawa ako ng classic na beef mami. Nag-pressure cooker lang ako ng beef. Siyempre, masarap may taba. So, ang dami ng taba. Pinimplahan ko lang siya ng pepper, salt, at nilagyan ko ng sibuyas. Pinakuluan ko, pinalambutan ko. At taran! Ayan, meron na akong kaldo ng beef mami. So, gawa tayo ng plate. Alam mo, kahit summertime dito sa Jumerica, basta nag-crave ka ng mami, okay lang yan kahit mainit ang panahon. Bakit pa? Diba? Ayan. By the way, ito nga pala ay kanton. Teka. Ito ay yung kanton na panggisado. Pinakuluan ko lang siya sa tubig para lumambot. Yun ang aking silbing maker. Kasi, meron nabibiling Mickey dito sa state, pero frozen siya. So, parang hindi ko siya type. So, yung kanton na panggisado, siyang pinagawa kong noodles. Lagyan ko lang ng repolyo, carrots. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang etlog, mga bemars, at sibuyas na mura. Okay? Tapos, since ang lalaki ng Since malaki ang tipa ko ng beef, kukuha tayo ng isang piraso. This one. Sarap. Oop, lambot nyo. May taba. Oops. Parang pwede ko na siyang hindi guntingin or hiwain. Nagpo-fall off na siya, mga bemars. Sandali lang. Kuha pa tayo ng isa pa. Okay na yung dalawang laman. Okay. Tapos, lagyan natin ang sabaw. Gutom na ako. Mag-aalas 2 na dito, mga bemars. Okay. Ayan. Patay na natin to. Tapos, meron tayo chili garlic. Tagal ko nang ginawa to pang stock ba. So, every time na kailangan mo ng garnish na ganito, meron ako. There you go. Sarap, maraming bawang, mga bemars. Tapos, kalamansi. Ayan. Look at that. Classic na beef mami sa Jumerica. Hi everyone, Mama Rose here. Thanks for watching my video. This one especially for my foreign friends out there who've been curious about Filipino food and want to try to make it yourselves. Today, we're making one of my all-time favorites, my mom's classic beef mami recipe. A classic Filipino beef noodle soup. It's simple, it's comforting, and honestly, it's one of those dishes that just tastes like home. Let's get into it. Step 1. Cubing the beef. First, we're cutting our beef into cubes. You want a good pressure cooker cut. Here's something like chunk or shank because it's going to break down beautifully under pressure. Step 2. Seasoning the pot. Into the pressure cooker it goes, along with salt, black pepper, and our diced onion. Nothing fancy yet. We're building the base of the broth. Step 3. Pressure cooking. Now we add enough water to cover the beef, seal it up, and let the pressure cooker do the work. At least 15 minutes until that meat is pork tender. This is the part where you can just walk away and let the magic happen. Step 4. Taste and adjust. Once it's done, go ahead and release the pressure. Give that broth a taste. This is your moment to adjust. More salt if it needs, more pepper if you like a little sharper. Make it yours. Step 5. Adding the vegetables. Next, go to the vegetable, pecha, cabbage, carrots, and some onion leaves. We're only simmering this briefly. We want them cooked but still bright and fresh, not mushy. Step 6. Adding the noodles. Now for the noodles, about a cup per serving. I like flour noodles or ramen noodles here. But if that's all you've got, thin spaghetti works in a pinch. Drop them and let them cook right in that broth until tender. Step 7. Serving, and that's it. Serve it up hot and don't skip the garlic chili sauce. That's really what brings this whole dish together. Dip your beef, dip your veggies. Trust me on this one. That's my classic beef mami recipe. Simply, hearty, and full of flavor. If you make this, let me know how it turns out. See you in the next one.
If you like the video and enjoy the recipe or end up trying it,
Please like and subscribe.
thank you.